Cough treatment. You will never suffer from cough or bronchitis again. Amazing natural remedy. Unfortunately, it is that time of the year when almost all of us become more prone to bronchitis and cough, which occur as a result of bacterial and viral infections. Usually, the respiratory system is affected, and it takes a lot of time for a complete recovery. Will never suffer cough bronchitis. Natural remedy. Child. A cough or bronchitis is manifested with persistent dry or a wet cough, and usually last from several days to 3 weeks. It can affect both adults and young, regardless of their age. Stop using those drugs and medications to treat your cough or bronchitis. We will present you an incredible remedy, which is not only completely natural, but is extremely effective. Just follow the instructions. Recipe. Needed ingredients: 250 milliliters milk, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 egg yolk. Directions. First, you should boil the milk and let it cool for a while. Add the butter and the honey, and make sure to stir well. Then, add the baking soda and the egg yolk and stir well again. Your remedy is ready. Take this remedy for 5 days before going to bed in order to get the best results. Excellent natural remedy for expelling phlegm. Needed ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons water. Mix all the ingredients and consume this remedy 2 times a day, half in the morning and a half in the evening.